Allergic eye disease, how to make the diagnosis. Today we're going to be focusing on allergic conjunctivitis, and in future episodes we're going to have information on VKC, vernal keratoconjunctivitis, atopic keratoconjunctivitis, AKC, and the differentials of these and how to differentiate them. Now this is a 45-year-old lady who's presented with a few days history of worsening redness, itchiness, foreign body sensation, and reduced vision. Now the biggest thing I want to show you guys in this video is the mucus. Mucus and watery discharge is one of your hallmarks in allergic conjunctivitis. That helps you to differentiate between infective or bacterial causes of conjunctivitis. Look at those lid margins, and also you can tell how swollen the upper lid is. Now when we everted the lids we could see significant papillae. Here we don't have any Horner-Trantas dots. We just really have that mucus discharge, which is stringy and watery with the lid swelling. So for this patient, they're already taking oral antihistamines, and due to the severity, we actually gave a short course of mild topical steroid in addition to topical antihistamines. Look at how it's bilateral as well.